Hello student, now we are going to learn about the how to download the MongoDB server. So now if you want to download the MongoDB server, then you need to go on the official website of the MongoDB. So now this is in the link. So now I'm going to share that link in the comment box. Directly you can jump on that link and just we need to select on the MongoDB community server. So after clicking on the MongoDB community server, we need to select the version. So basically I'm taking the current version only. So now I'm taking the current version and now I'm going to download that for the my Windows platform. So that's why I'm just selecting the platform as a window. So if you have Linux, you can select the Linux. If you have Mac OS, then you can select the Mac OS as well. So now for the Windows, I'm going to download the package that is a MSI Microsoft installer. And now you can click on the download. So now on the basis of the net speed, our downloading is start. Now downloading is complete. Now we are going to install the server. So now just you can do the one thing, just open your download folder. And now in my download folder, I have this one MongoDB Windows. And just you need to double click here for the installation. And now it is preparing for the installation. So just simply click on the next, then accept the terms and conditions. Now click on the next. Now we are going to installing the complete server. So now just click on the server, complete server, and don't write down the any kind of the things. Just click on the next. And now click on the next and then click on the install. So now it will take little bit time to install the MongoDB server. Now it's almost done. Starting the server. So now see what happened. We get this kind of the window. Now you can do the one thing. Just wait for the completion. So now see complete the MongoDB 8.0 installation. So now you can click on the finish. Now after the installation, we will get that this is graphical user interface. So that name is the MongoDB campus. So now we can do the one thing. Now I want to connect with this one. So now you can click on the localhost and now see connection is done properly. Now if you want to check that key, is it working properly or not, then we can do the one thing. Just click on the localhost and just you can click on the create database. Now I'm going to create here sample database, sample DB. And now I'm writing the collection name as the test. And now you can click on the create database. Now you can see here we get the sample DB, and in that sample DB we get the test as the collection. So we can use the graphical user interface, or if you want to use the MongoDB shell, then you can use the shell as well. So for that, just see here you will get the open MongoDB shell. Now we can do the one thing. I'm just closing the all thing and now I'm opening the local host, and now I'm writing here open the MongoDB shell. See, so now using the MongoDB shell also we are able to create the database. So for that we need to write down the use Suppose I'm writing here sample 2 dB, sample 2 dB, and just click on the enter. So now switch to the sample 2 dB. Now just create the collection. So for that, just write down the db dot create collection. db dot create collection and just give the name of the collection. So I'm giving the name as a test. So now see. Now you can do the one thing. Just refresh this one. Click on the localhost and now click on the refresh. Now see what we get. We get the sample db2 as well. So when we download the complete server, along with that we get the MongoDB campus and then MongoDB shell as well. So shell is the CLI and the campus is the GUI for the MongoDB. Thank you.